Hi guys, it's Mills here, and today we are at Ulta. We have arrived just before closing, so we are gonna go check out my new Florence by Mills display. Let's go take a look. Come on. Hello. Okay, let's go. Ooh. I love you, Ariana Grande. Okie dokie. Ta-da! Although I'm kind of annoyed she's not wearing a mask. Wear a mask, lady. But these are everything. I absolutely love it. Look how pretty. And then if we go over to this is our original. And I am just so excited. Let's just, you know what? Let's just clear it out. Let's just do what we have to do. All right. Happy holidays. Okay, so make sure you go to an Ulta store or shop online at florencebymills.com to get the toner series, episode 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys so much. Stay safe and don't forget to wear a mask.